So I want to go over our mission here at Joyland and kind of what we're about and what's really important to us. So number one, quick in our service. What does this mean for us? For us, it simply means wherever we can speed up and take less time on things that we do. Think of answering the phone, think of responding to emails, think of getting a job done. Now, we don't try to be too quick on the highways, of course. You know, there's safety issues when you go too fast on a roof or on the highways. But who wants to wait 2 weeks or 3 weeks to book an appointment for an estimate, right? Or wait 2 months for a roof replacement? We want things faster than that. And so what we try to do here at Joyland is to really be on top of our game when it comes to being quick wherever we can be and not delay it or try to push it off or shove it under the rug, right? Just be upfront, open and honest, and quick across the board at responding, because I know as a consumer, as a customer, I like quick. I like to have quick service. You think of 1 day or 2 day deliveries, right? And stuff like that. That's how we're wired. From the time someone contacts us, from that first instant, all the way through the process, our goal is to be quick and consistently so throughout the process so our customers don't have to wait. Second is clear in our communication. As a professional roofer, I know the technical terms for everything. A lot of other people might not. For most people, it's the first time and maybe the last time they're buying the roof, and so they don't know when I talk about flashing and step flashing and head wall. It's like, what are you talking about? I can't communicate like that with my customers and hope they understand. I want to break it down into everyday language so that they understand what I'm providing and how I'm providing it. If problems arise or unexpected things, it always helps to be clear in communication and don't beat around the bush. We want to get rid of all the fluff and all the unnecessary back and forth, and be clear in our communication wherever possible, because that ultimately serves our customers well. Competent in our work. You know, you want a competent roofer, you want a competent person working on your home, obviously. And that's really kind of a foundational element here at Joyland, is we invest heavily in training. We want to be able to look our customers in the eye and say, look, the guys we have in your job know what they're doing. They've been through training. They've done it a lot. They understand the right way to do it, the wrong way to do it, and focus obviously on the right way. Competence is very important in our line of work. You want to be able to put a roof on and forget it for 30 years. And that's not the case a lot of times, unfortunately, because roofers might not double check the flashing, or they might miss a detail here or there, and all of a sudden you have a problem in 5 or 10 years because of incompetence of somebody on the roof. And so we try hard by continually training and upskilling and educating our folks here to make sure that we are competent in our work. And this is foundational also for being quick in our service and clear in our communication. If we're competent first, then we work on clear and quick, so that as a package, this mission, these are the things we focus on to ensure that time and time again, we can be consistent in delivering exceptional service and inspiring joy in the remarkable service that we provide to our customers every day.